fellow photographer, how's it going? I'm Michael Zelbel. Today I would like to show you how you can create a big, seemingly endless studio in a tiny space, and we're going to use the Spanish wall that I've shown you in the previous two videos. And in the last video I've shown you how to add in a little table from IKEA for sitting poses, and today I want to get rid of the table and just create a big, seemingly endless studio. Now we're going to do a little tweak to the Spanish wall for that. The Spanish wall as such, it got a structure. Yeah, there are lines, and this is lovely, but sometimes you want to have just a clean, white, infinite studio. So what can you do to cover the structure? If you would simply hang down fabric on such a Spanish wall, it would show some wrinkles. There would be folds visible in the photo. It probably wouldn't look good. But if you've got a plain white surface, that's what's working well. So I got myself two plastic sheets, two PVC sheets from Amazon. These are 2 meters high, 1 meter wide, and 1 millimeter thick. It's relatively thin but sturdy enough so that it doesn't knitter at all. On the back side of this plastic sheets, I screwed some hooks from the hardware store. This enables me to hang this plastic sheets right onto the Spanish wall, and with that I create a perfect white corner. Now, for sure you could use other material for the surface, for sure you could use other kind of hooks. I'm certain there are more clever solutions, but this is just what I did and it's working. The rest is, like always, the standard GL method. So it's a speed light through a shoot-through umbrella shooting into the middle of the corner. The speed light is on 1/16th power. The camera is on a 200th of a second, f2.8, ISO 100. Now with these settings, you will not overexpose the walls, but that also means that the corner as such is visible if you don't cover it with your model. Now that's okay for me. I usually like the corner to be visible, but if you don't like it, then this is a 10-second fix in Lightroom. Now you go into the development module, you zoom into the line that you want to fix, you take the healing brush for that, and then you just go along this line that you want to have healed away, and since it's all gray, it automatically selects a perfect fit. That's really no problem for such a program, and there you have it. Now the line is gone. The whole thing looks like it's endless. Yeah. So that's easy, that's fine. A second speed light firing into the corner and blowing out the highlights would work as well, but of course it would give the photo a different look, and yeah, it depends on whether you want to have a second light source at all. Yeah, I didn't want to have that in this case because it would destroy this kind of romantic feeling that I wanted to have. So if you get yourself some extra surface material, like my white PVC plastic sheets or the black fabric or both of it, you make the whole thing so much versatile. And I hope you also saw the other two videos about the Spanish wall corner, because they show actually how versatile the whole thing is. It's really big bang for the buck, and also for the tiny space that it needs. It's really something I can recommend. I hope you try it out, and I hope you have got a ton of fun with that. Shoot a ton of cool photos. Let me know about it on the socials. Show me what you got. Subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and I hope I see you in the next video. Until then, really have fun with it, and like always, good light. Fantastic, we got it. Hey, good. Ding, ding, ding. Yeah.